Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Now I just got a quick second to myself. The bab is being put in with the missus, so I thought I'd come in and have a look at WEZPICKS Parcel. Now I know what it is. This is the Ingersoll 6-lever padlock, and I'm looking to pick this straight out of the packet just to see if the way that I pick these locks works every time with every lock. So I'll get this opened and then I'm going to see if I can get it on camera. So this box is fully sealed and I haven't tampered with it one bit. I'm going to try and get into it this side with the missus's kitchen knife. Always well packaged from Wes, and I think I'll be using Wes's pick to pick it, the one that he made us. Look at that, he's even went and give us some other stuff which I wasn't even expecting. Oh my life, they'd be getting used for definite. Like, I'm not sure what kind of wood that is, even though I'm a carpenter, but it's kind of threw me video this, as I wasn't expecting that. Obviously, do you know what, he spoiled us with the pick as well, but I'll leave the pick until last. He's give us 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1. Actually, they're a couple of, I think they're challenge lock. Oh, nah, look at that. It's a GG. Lovely looking lock. Thank you very much, Wes. Honestly, mate, I wasn't expecting none of this. I hope it's coming across in the camera right. A Carver Gemini. Look at that little beauty. Go on, mate. Thank you very much, mate. Honestly, I can't believe that you've sent us all of these. I'm absolutely buzzing. What's these for? That one is an Ingersoll key, which I'm not going to look at if I can help it. Put that across there. And then I've got these GG keys as well. He's never sent. And there she's there, the beast. Do you know what? I am going to look at this because I can't wait. Oh, mate. Look at that. Oh, I'm buzzing with that, mate. Thank you so much. Look at the finish on that bad boy. Full tang. Perfect. I might even use that to pick this Ingersoll lock here. Honestly, mate, that's perfect. Like, look at the finish on that. Lovely, lovely hook. In fact, I think it may be a Gemini profile, that. Oh yeah, sorry, a Peterson Gem. I've got Gemini on my brains after I've just looked at that carbon lock. But yeah, mate, that's pucker, that is. That's lovely. Buzzing. Buzzing, like. Right, so, not to keep the video too long, this is the Ingersoll, which I'm going to be trying to open. I'm going to put her in the vise. Should I use that for this lock? Yeah, why not? Why not? Smash her in there. Now I like to pick these locks with a bit of tension. I know that some people say that you only need light tension, and fair play they might, but the way I picked this lock the first time I ever picked one was with heavy tension, and I intend to keep it that way, to be honest. I've got no real reason not to. Let's see if we can get that nicely tensioned. I'm going to use this if I can. In fact, I'll start off with the one that he made us before. Let's see if we can get that in frame. So this profile is a bit different to the ones that I've did. Let me just familiarise myself with the pins. The levers, sorry. So this has got 6 levers, 3 on the top, I'm guessing 3 on the bottom. Just by feeling around, see that one's loose, as is 2. So 3, we've got a binder. That's it, a little bit of movement on the core. And as always, come forward and just check the ones in the stack that you've just been messing with, because you might get another binder. Let's get a look at number 3. Yeah, 3's picked. Spin the tension wrench round. This one's not too strong, to be honest. Swap hands. I'm just going to check the bottom one because I've released the tension, so obviously I want to make sure that that number 3 there is still set, and he is. So now I'm just going to look across the top to see if there's any of that binding. I'm wiggling my pick in. One's loose. 2's binding. Two's in. Looking around for binder number 3. It's not up there, so let's come down here. Number 1, loose still. Number 2 is binding. Check in for set. Check number 1, springy. So we should be on number 1 up here. Springy. 3 springy as well. A little bit of movement there when I touch 1. So I picked a hell of a lot easier than I thought I did. There you go. We have an open lock. I fully weren't expecting to open that fast, to be honest. I have got a preferred method that I use, and it does obviously work because that's just worked there for us. But yeah, I'm buzzing to have this 6 lever Ingersoll because I've picked the rim, which I did not so long ago. I picked this one, is what I learnt on, funny enough. This one's Big Brother. This one's got 10 levers. I've got the key for that somewhere. That's the key there. And the key for that other one's in the lock. But yeah, I'm really happy to have all 3 of them done now. So you've got the rim, the padlock, which have both got 10 levers in. This one's got the 6. So thank you very much, Wes, for letting us put the final nail in the coffin with these locks.